Flag number one.
Can't even get 3 traps in. We're already getting flags.
A little late to it. Couldn't find my phone, but we got 3 traps in.
She's ripping, and you know what? I'm just gonna give it to her.
Yeah. She's going. You can see the line through the ice.
Oh yeah, he's there. He's there.
See the line here.
He's little. He's real little. He's coming right at me.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, he's tiny.
Little bass. Get back, Oak.
He's
Wow.
running muck right in the weeds.
Didn't get skunked yet. I don't know. Need my pliers.
Yeah.
Oh. Got my governor. Oh, can we get the bait? This is the trick right here. Get the bait.
We're gonna get the bait.
Keep the bait alive. Keep the fish alive.
Easy release right there.
Boom. Get that trap back in the water. Let's get this. Alright. Bo's got his traps out. We want to get mine out.
Got the old dogs right here. Duck dogs. I ain't getting any ducks today. Nice one.
Yeah. I like keeping the traps pretty tight. We're probably only about 30 yards from that trap over there tomorrow. Right. Whatever. Might make me a nice pond.
Look at the other 2 down there right into the sun.
I'm running the, right now I have 60-pound braid with a number 1 or 2 treble hook. This one's a 1, I think. Pretty big. And we're only dropping about
Maybe 3.5 feet.
3.5 feet, about that. On my head.
It's right under the ice. Only in 8 feet of water.
I always fish under the ice, so as the season goes on, I'll add a little bit because the ice gets thicker. We'll use this half dead one. See if we can get him. Yesterday we were catching the pike off dead bait. Didn't catch any off of live. We only caught 2. So it's obviously not a crazy pike pond, but I'll go up one more. So, I mean, I'm only fishing about 2.5 feet right now with that one. But I like the varied depths between that 2.5 to 3.5, 4 feet.
Now she's set.
The rest of them, check back in it. Got the shack all set up. Dogs out there. Bowden's out there setting them traps. We still got that flag up. We got 4 traps in with that one that he's putting in. 5 once we get that other one that we just caught that bass off. Missed that bass off. Let's see here. Starting up this. We've been using this little propane stove as a heater. Works beautifully. This thing some gas. Alright. We're not giving any gas. See if we can't fix this here. I got it. For whatever reason, the little propane bottle wasn't working. Something must be in the tip or something. Smells like it's leaking too. I don't like that. I'm gonna get this out of here. That outside, and then yeah, we got that going. So, yeah, this little stove gets it plenty hot in here for both of us, and we got some buffalo chicken dip we'll be eating. And I think we did that. We got number 2, same trap. Still haven't finished setting up my ice shack yet. See what she's doing. Oh, there's definitely fish on there. That bag's really tight and it's pulling. We got that trap up on the magic hole. We'll see.
Well, it's not moving. It's been up for a while, so.
We'll find out, aren't we?
Can he go 0 for 3?
No. Yeah, you can. I never even had that one. Tried to set the hook into the shiner. The shiner's already hooked. Oh, fingers are sticking in the trap.
Oh, cold today. She's 7 degrees this morning. She's real cold. I reel this puppy up, set her down, go eat some food in the shack. We're finally set up.
Yes.
Here we go. This just went up. Watched it pop.
Well, that's definitely a bass.
Pulled some line pretty quick. He's ripping. No, just bait.
That bait. He ripped it through the weeds. That's quick.
Well, I guess we'll send it back down, wait for another.
I guess so. On to setting these traps again.
We'll talk to him. What do we got here?
I think this is about take 4. Trying to land the first one.
His first one.
This trap's gone off 4 times now.
Yep.
I'm about to just close on this fish. Yeah. Oh, I got him.
Pinned him.
Tiny. Either that or it's coming right at me and it's a pike.
Little pickerelli. That's probably a little bass.
Oh, it's a bite. I think I call it right.
No, I think it's a little bass.
I think it's a little bass. You're probably looking at it. Yeah, it's a little bass too. I'm gonna break him off.
Yeah.
Here will land my first fish.
20-pound test. You don't want to break it off.
Yeah, it's a little bass. Spike like a pike. Good little pike.
We haven't seen it yet. Oh, there she is.
Little bass.
Little bass.
You were right. The head shakes on bait.
Hey!
There he goes, catch and release
Catch
at
and
its
release.
best.
Fisherman's release. He's right down. We could have had him. We're counting it.
Boom. I could have gotten it if I wanted to.
Oh, yeah, we could have had him. Oh, and the bait's
Bait still on the hook.
That's the second fish we caught off that one bait. Cherry. Let's go to number 3.
I come out of the shack, get a fork for us, and Bo's got a flag over there. I got a flag over here on my dead pike bait, so I'm hoping I got a pike over here. You see it? Right over there. Walk in between those two traps in front of you. Guy couldn't see his trap. Alright, let's see what we got here. Get a little bit foggy there. Alright. Don't seem to be moving much. It's up to the side. It's gonna be hard to film by myself. Oh, I got something on there. Either that or I got a bunch of weeds. It's coming right at me, whatever it is. Oh, he put me through the weeds. Thing full of weeds. Oh, I'm terrible. It's better than 50 pounds of it. Oh, you got the bait caught up in it. Well, he's gonna lift that shot back. We'll go see what Bowden's got over there. Then we're gonna go probably try to eat some more of our dip. Our pike trap is back up. Slow rolling. Let's see. See if the pike trap is actually a pike trap. Just random stuff. Yeah. A little easier when you got two people in front.
Got a pike just toying with us.
We'll see if it's really a pike or if it's just messing with back. Hey, get back!
Easy.
Yep.
Oh, we got him. Watch out, please. Watch out.
Whatever it is, I got it.
Oh, nice
It's a
bass.
nice bass.
Go on.
No, I guess it really ain't pike trap.
No, I guess not. A little 3-pounder ain't bad.
Dead bait.
Dead bait. Has he swallowed it or what?
I don't know, I can't get this thing.
Well, don't throw him in your line. Well, we're gonna
Swallowed it pretty good.
we're gonna take care of this one, and then we're gonna just send him back. Thank you.
We just went in, shack, hanging out, look out. Got two flags right next to each other. One over there, right here. Holden's gonna go get his. I'm gonna come get mine. This is on the dead bait again. Let's see. Doesn't look like it's moving on. It's moving at all, actually. So, let's see. That ice is cold. Wow, it took some line. Getting down on that. the same fish. Yep, that's a fish. It's a bass. You can tell just by the way it's fighting. Now watch it be a pike. Coming right at me. There it is. There's two bass. Looks like he got a bass too. Double them up, bub. There's that bass. On the dead bait again. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. We're out here. This bait is beat right up. But there's a fish. Nice bass. Put it back in the hole. Alright, so it is about noon. We're gonna pack up. Bo's gotta go to work. There's some stuff down at the house. We're gonna go pick up the traps. I'm getting done for the day. So it was a good day. Pressure was kind of high, which kind of put a little dim on our fishing. Yesterday we were out here, we caught exactly 20 fish in the same amount of time. Fished till noon, started at 6. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully we'll see you guys again. Subscribe. Hope you enjoy.